Hey guys, welcome to T for Trading, and today I'm on the second day of my 10,000 to 100,000 USD challenge on day number 2. So yesterday I took a trade on around here, just about here, on a 15-minute time frame on GBP USD pair. The reason behind the trade was pure and simple. It was a breakout strategy, and my strategy is mainly based on 3 core concepts. First of all, liquidity structure, and then market structure, and finally institutional supply and demand. So here we have an accumulation phase, which are about here, and then the breakout started to happen around this level. So after the initial breakout, I marked the zone for the initial supports, which are about here. This is the zone that I marked mainly for my support. So I put a limit order around here, and the stop loss behind this low, which is shown on the chart right here. This is the trade that I took. It was almost as a 1:6 to reward to risk ratio, so that was a pretty decent trade, I suppose. It's enough for me, I guess. I almost profited around 600 USD on that trade, and the position sizing was only 1500, maybe 1500 USD was the position sizing. So after I placed the trade here, after some consolidation, the move started, and this was the weekend. So the market was closed for 2 days, and I held my position over the weekends. So this was the swap after the market opened at Sunday. So the initial run phase started right after the market opened. So it moved a little bit upward, then a little bit downward push to the supply zone, and then boom, TP hit. That was my first trade. So after that I got a mistrade. One of my trade hit at stop loss. I went on a short position around here, but the stop loss was about 30 or 35 ticks, so it was around here, I think. So I increased my position after I saw the bearish confirmations and the bearish pressure rising up on the market. I was hoping for a pullback to around this level, but it didn't went as planned, so it hit at my stop loss. It's part of the game, so I don't worry about that. You have to take some losses in order to win, so it's pretty normal for me. So it was a high risk trade and high risk to reward trade, which was enough for me to sustain a 1 month. I think my monthly goal is around 10% of my capital. So I'm currently trading a 10,000 USD account, so my monthly goal is only 10%, which is $1,000. But from this one trade I profited about $673. So that's almost half, or you can say that more than half of my monthly goals. So it's a pretty good trade. I only risked 1% of my whole account on this trade, so it's quite good. After that, on euro dollar here, I have a running trade today. It's already kind of going profitable, so I took a trade around here. So the logic behind this trade, well, it's pretty simple. On 4-hour time frame, the overall market is bullish. Here you can see the market is bullish. Here is a breakup structure, swing breakup structure. Bullish. Where's the bull switch? Bullish swing breakup structure, and Here's another breakup structure which is around here. So some people may think that after this large move, which is around here, after this large move around downward push, many people think that it is the change of character, internal change of character, which will indicate the pullback of this phase, but it's not actually. Here you can see that liquidity has been formed after the breakup structure. Here, the sell side liquidity, we have available sell side liquidity here, and this move made a breakup structure to the upside. So the market pulls back to this level to sweep this liquidity and forming a sweep zone right around here, the pink zone that I drawn on the chart right about here. So this is my sweep zone. Let's hop into the 15-minute time frame, and as you can see, this is my sweep zone. This is my sweep zone. So after this upward move, the pullback started right around here. I took a trade there and took a small loss around $10 or $20. So it didn't really matter to me because I almost had more than half of my monthly goals, so I can play around a little. So after this breakup structure, I waited for the market to complete the pullback and at least sweep on the liquidity that was formed here. These are the sell side liquidity that were formed between these lows, and you can see that I marked this zone, this big box, which indicates the swing range of this pullback zone, of this pullback round. So around this area, this is the discount zone, and this area are the premium zone. So if I want to sell, I should be selling about these higher areas around here. This is where I should be selling. And if I want to buy, then I should buy around this area. So these are the premium zones or discounted zones for the institutions to enter the market. So you can see that there is a liquidity sweep around this area, so I marked that sweep zone, and you can clearly see that I have marked an internal breakout or internal breakup structure around here. This indicated or gave me the confirmation that the pullback is over. After another internal breakup structure, I'm totally confirmed that the pullback phase of 4-hour time frame is completely over. So now all I can do is I can mark out high probability supply zone, or high probability demand zone, to go on a long position along with the trend. Always remember, trend is your friend. So I placed a limit order around here on top of the sweep zone and placed my stop loss right above here. But currently I reduced my stop loss because the market is going along the direction I predicted. So after this move, the market suddenly pulled back to my sweep zone and triggered my entry here, and then the market started to move upward as I predicted. So I'm currently targeting this high over here, because I'm hoping that this move will take out this high and form a new high, right? I think around this level will be the next target of me, but I'm targeting this level for just to be safe. And the trade I'm taking, after reducing the stop loss, it is currently standing at 1:7 risk to reward ratio. Can you imagine, guys? This is a damn good trade if it plays out. And if it hits stop loss, I wouldn't mind. It's part of the game, but let's watch and keep it updated. That's how it plays out. And keep watching, and I will post it on my shorts or on my stories. What did trade played out after the trade is completed? Either my stop loss will hit or my take profit will hit. I'm not gonna quit midway. Stay in touch, like, share, and follow along my journey. I'm gonna do it, man. I don't know what will it take, but I'm gonna complete this journey. 10,000 to 100,000. Let's see how many days it takes. Like this video, man. Your video, your impressions and your engagements are the things that keeps me motivated to, keeping myself on this path. Because this is the only way or the only path I want to take in life for my financial freedom. So I'm totally committed. Support me on my way, man. Like and share this video if you more like, or if you love trading concepts or trading ideas. Peace out. See you on the next one.